Hey, how is it going? Today I am gonna talk about the most effective strategies for losing weight and keeping it off in this video. We know that losing weight can be a tough journey, but we believe in you and know that you have the strength and determination to succeed. You are amazing and you deserve to feel your best. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of eating a healthy diet. This means filling your plate with a variety of colorful fruits, crisp vegetables, and lean proteins. And remember, everything is okay in moderation, even that slice of pizza or bowl of ice cream. Just try to focus on nourishing your body with wholesome foods most of the time. In addition to eating a healthy diet, it's essential to get your body moving. Exercise can help you burn calories and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise. Find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or lifting weights, and make it a part of your routine. And if you're feeling especially ambitious, you can even try a new workout class or sport. Hey, maybe you'll discover a hidden talent for pole dancing or rock climbing. You never know until you try. Another key strategy for successful weight loss is monitoring your portions. It's easy to eat more than we need, especially when it comes to tasty treats. But by using measuring cups or a food scale, you can ensure that you're not overdoing it. And remember, it's okay to indulge every once in a while, just try to be mindful of your portions. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial for weight loss. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it can also help fill you up and flush out toxins and waste from your body. Aim for at least 8 to 8 ounces of water per day. And if you're having trouble drinking enough, try infusing your water with fruit slices or herbs for a tasty and refreshing twist. Getting enough sleep is so important for both weight loss and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down and get a good night's rest. Maybe try some lavender essential oil, a warm bath, or some calming music to help you relax and drift off. Finding a support system can also be a game changer on your weight loss journey. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family members, or consider joining a support group or working with a coach or personal trainer. It can make all the difference to have someone to cheer you on and hold you accountable. Plus, it's always more fun to have a workout buddy or someone to share your healthy meals with. Finally, it's essential to stay motivated on your weight loss journey. Weight loss is a process, and it can be easy to get discouraged. That's why it's important to set small, achievable goals and to find an activity that you enjoy. Whether it's a new workout class or a healthy recipe to try, find something that excites and inspires you. And remember, every small step is a step closer to your goal. So don't give up. You are amazing and you deserve to feel your best. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. We believe in you and we're rooting for you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happy and healthy you.